Good morning. Market is open. 2nd of May 2024. We are looking at ES. Plan for today is this. I'm going to be looking for silver bullet short or this fair value gap somewhere here. If I see it, maybe a little bit higher. Let's see if we're going to get that. That's a plan that I always do before market opens. So I'm going to drop it on my Twitter account. All right. Let's wait. Let's see. We did push here, but we didn't take that. So London is still touched. Tick chart open like 1,000 up. We didn't take that and we're already dumping. Interesting. These lows, they look smooth. Sorry, that should be actually red. Yeah, then we have the yesterday low, RTH, and this is, and that's, I think that's ETH, right? Let's just quickly have a look. Yeah, that's ETH. That's London term here. Right, so let's wait. Looks like we are dumping immediately. Alright, so we do have some fair value gaps here on 1 minute. It's just too early for me to start jumping on something because, what is it, like first 4 minutes? There you go, had one here. You have another one here. Bearish fair value gaps. Alright, we are approaching this level. It's kind of smooth as well. It's minor liquidity level. Alright. I think we could grab a long of this level. Not really. I don't really want to do that. That's a little bit of a gamble here. Still have 57, but we most okay. It's like you're gonna bounce off this at some point. Market will come back up. We'll have some imbalances. But I'm not sure if you're not gonna go to 65 first. There we go, we're going there. Right, dropping to 65. They're rushing, to be honest. He didn't wait, he didn't take even that London buy side, so it's basically straight away down. Straight away down. Alright, this level is interesting now. Liquidity.
Order submitted.
I'll try to stop along
Order
here.
filled.
Let's see for a little bounce up. Should get some shorts trying to cover. We could get a push to 70, 72. Even 75. More shorts will start to cover here. Yeah. $70, $72, $75 even. We'll see. That's gonna happen. I'll put my stop loss here. If we break that, fine. Happy with this loss. Basically one tick below. But if we don't, we have a target of 77, 75, 77. 72 will be probably a problem. Because we do have some trapped people there. If I had two contracts, I would be closing one here and then I can hold the other one there. But at this point, you know what? Let's just go break even this thing. Let's see if we can get a push into 75. Give him a little bit of space. Okay, give him some space. Give him some space.
Stop filled.
Stopped. It's fine. See if we follow. Continue lower. No,
Order
go
filled.
up, so I'm gonna re-enter my long position. Stop loss below here. Good. I'm gonna
Order
add.
filled.
I tried twice to go lower and couldn't. Hopefully we'll continue up now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the 75 should be tested. VWAP at some point. We should get there. Push above 70. I will cover one. Come on, push now. Oh. Alright, I'm getting ready to drop. Oh, I'm getting ready to continue. Oh, you know. It's looking decent for push. Should get that 75. 72 or something like that. There is a fair value gap. What the market is basically, it's gonna bounce off bearish fair value gap. 71. So the moment we tap in here, I will sell one.
Order submitted.
71, 75, so 71.50. Yeah, somewhere here. Let's see if we're gonna push into that. Weak. Yeah, we should get this push to 72. Just don't want to be stopped here. But yeah, my stop loss needs to be there. Let's see, this 5 minutes started now. Possibly we're gonna get the pull on the initial first 2-3 minutes of this candle. It's a London sell site which has been taken. We should get something, out of that. It's just patience, really. Not much liquidity below. 50.62. 50.60, somebody's waiting there. Okay. I'm not sure we're gonna get there. $15 minutes from the open.
Order
Alright,
canceled.
stopped. So we go lower. Alright,
Order
I'll try
filled.
one more time. Don't see much liquidity below. Should have checked something. Alright. I don't think we're gonna get down there to the low Asia, but we could. Then we'll have to close that one more time. Alright. So at this point, I'm gonna move this to the Asia low. I'm gonna add one more here.
Order submitted.
Asia sell site. I did not expect we're gonna just go straight away from the open, so I missed that short. And, obviously, if we retrace now, I'm gonna close that. Okay, 50 posts. They have collected a lot, but they still have this Asia low. Most likely we'll go lower and grab that. So I will try to get out from that. I'm just gonna get out the moment I see this approaching this level. Yeah, I just want to take below. It's gonna be a cheap escape. Alright, fine.
Order filled.
So it wasn't a great start. We're down. How much we down? Minus 400. It's okay. We do have this is fair value gap here. Bearish one. So should actually short that thing into, but let's see how far we go, because we got also bullish fair value gap at this point. That's a bullish one, but I don't think it's gonna hold. This is bearish one. I should short this, to be honest, of this fair value gap here. There's another one here. There's another one here. I mean, there's not much liquidity down here, so that's the only issue I see. 56, 55. Don't see any level. Would like to be traded, so. It is asking to be taken at level. Asia. No. So our plan was great. The only problem is that we never got the buy side liquidity swept. That was my target. So I thought that they're making a fake out, and then they're making a fake out somewhere here, then we're gonna go up. Unfortunately, they decided to just collapse straight away. Look at that. I'm looking buying it already, but I think this level will be swept at full hour. It's 10 o'clock. We'll drop, and then we can have a silver bullet trade to the upside.
Order submitted.
So I'm looking to short this of this fair value gap. I think that fair value gap was a bit lower. So yeah, one tick above this high. Let's see. Or maybe even like the same. 65, 65. Just a second, to be honest. That's a second try. They bought that bid. Could get in a bit higher. Always the second push is more more people convinced that the move's gonna be to the upside. It's a shame because I've been a couple of times in this a little profit here. Should have taken it at least something. I was hoping for a push into 70, but that happened. 70, over this high 70, 75, 71. I wanted to sell somewhere into this fair value gap. Market had different idea. It's all right. There's some liquidity here. 65, 65, 67. Let's try to catch this up here. 65. Get trapped on the short side, on the long side there. You can get trapped on the short side now. We'll see. 7. I just don't like the fact that we do have still a lot of liquidity up to 70. 65. Let's just wait. Maybe just wait for this Asia to be swept. 4 more minutes. Liquidity up to here. Up to 70. If we get there, then we're gonna tap into this. I mean, shorting this bottom is not a great idea anyway. It's just not the discount area. Discount area is up here. So this, not even here. This one. That's the discount area to be honest. We have other fair value gaps. You know, this one is a big one, for example, here. It's a big one here. Are we gonna drop in the last 2 minutes, or are they gonna drive this up and then they will drop into that Asia?
Order cancelled.
Let's see. Let's watch this. It's bullish because I want to buy this, you know, at this level here. This is how we're looking on trading. All right, another fair value gap here.
Order submitted.
Let's try. If we can get it. $65. Yeah, I'm gonna try him. This is fair value gap here. No. Alright, we didn't catch that. We should just break low.
Order cancelled.
go into this. He already made a new law. Okay, now we took that. Yeah, it's breaking. There you go. Missed opportunity. Looks like we might go to yesterday's law. Panic. Just
Order
jump
submitted.
on that thing. No,
Order cancelled.
let's just wait for the pullback.
Order
let's try
filled.
Let's see if we're gonna go. Grab this thing here. Just kind of chasing it, but it does look like it wants to go there. It's like everybody's giving up basically at this point. Yeah. Oh, they're gonna go for the slows. The silver bullet trade just started at 9:30. They didn't wait for 10. Still 7 minutes till the macro finishes its job. So 10 past.
Order
About that,
filled.
Let's see.
Order filled.
Yeah, I can't have this here because that's the close of the gap. All right, 47. Got 6 more minutes on that macro.
Order submitted.
Pressure to down still exists. This RTH below is just asking to be taken. They didn't take it yesterday. So should go down there and close it. Below 44.
Order cancelled.
That was the bad entry. Come on. New low, I'm closing one more. Four more minutes.
Order cancelled.
Stop loss break even.
Order cancelled.
And let's see if we're gonna drop to the RTH low. We have another low here, so I'm gonna actually be more conservative. That's the low. That's the low they wanna go into. This one here. That's pretty much the level. So what they can do is front run this level one more time. The 45, just go in front of it. $45 should hit this 45. Give me 45, 25. Motherfucker.
Order filled.
Fine. Okay, so we're plus $37. Let's start. A silver bullet trade happened half an hour earlier. They started it basically straight away on you. There you go, look at that. Let's not. Oh, look at that. 37. Okay, what's the next level we could go to? Wow. What's the next level? Next level is 38. We just hit that. It's just crazy move down. I want to go long, to be honest, of that. But too late now. So we can just continue lower. We should get some bounce. There's another level here. Yeah, I'm gonna be switching colors when I'm supposed to be in a long trade. Okay, macro is over. 10 past 10. Look at that. It's already 4 points up. I think. Ooh, that's a decent candle. 1001 minute. It's a really, really big. Cumulative delta. I want to buy this. Not here, obviously. Just stepping into fair value gap. Bearish one. There you go. There it is. Just pushing into it. There's another one here. But I'm not looking for shorting this anymore. I am looking to get in long.
Order submitted.
This fair value gap. Market is really trying to squeeze. There's a lot of shorts. Just one tick below this, really. Come on, get me in. Yeah, they're not gonna wait. They will not wait for you. Look at that. It's already 12 points up. Let's wait. Gonna load the bolt here. And we still have this level. If they would like to go, they can do it. But I think yeah, I missed that, to be honest. You just sometimes you just need to buy the level and that's it. Don't even think much about fair value gaps. Special level like this. There you go, look at it.
Order cancelled.
Fair value gap. We could bounce off of it. This is already 15 points.
Order filled.
15 points move from the bottom quite fast, so I think there is a chance for a little scalp here. Perhaps into this fair value gap one more time. If you're patient enough, you can get it. There is one here, obviously. But I'm thinking about this one. Somewhere here, really. Danger is that we can just squeeze. There you go. Yeah, that was the danger. And it happened. I'm not gonna fucking wait. So what are we doing here? Taking the loss. All right, try to get out from this here. Final push.
Target filled.
Okay, breakout trade. Yeah, so sometimes it's one of the old timers was saying institutional traders, they either buy the level or they don't buy it at all. And that is the level you have to buy. That was the London sell side from yesterday. See that? London sell side today, London sell side yesterday. They fucking went down that. So that's the institutional level. You buy it or you don't. So I hesitated. I was switching, fiddling with the fucking colors here. I'm supposed to get in. It's alright. Right. Can't remember his name. Scottish guy. Rest in peace, my friend. So how do we stand? $37. Yeah. So silver bullet trade is supposed to happen from 10 o'clock from 10 o'clock till 11 o'clock, and they started it at 9:30. Unfortunately, basically straight away at the open. And the problematic thing is they have not swept that liquidity. They have not swept a London buy side. They've been pretty close, but no. And that's the only reason I was not participating in this short. Because I need to see the London buy side to be swept. And they have not done that. Target 1, target 2, target 3. That was even target 4. Missed opportunity. Not really missed. We did take it. Because the conditions were not right. No liquidity sweep. Well, still have that liquidity down here, but I don't think we're gonna do it now. That was already enough. We can go there maybe later in the day. But what I would expect now, it will start to take buy side liquidities and go up. Buy side liquidity, sorry, fair value gap. What else do we see here? Yeah, we have a little bit of something here as well. Fair value gap. Bullish. That's it. Other than that, we have some minor liquidities on the buy side. Put that now. Sorry, not this one. Here. Here. And here. But so far we're pretty bearish, so you have to bear in mind that that's at the top. It's a London buy side for today. Well, 65, somebody's waiting here at 65. That's here. So they want to refill short side. Let's bring that here. Just don't like this colors. What was that? Yeah, so that overshoot hasn't been even revisited. Let's just measure this. One leg here, another leg here. Target. Market is in a rush to go up here. Somebody waiting 45. 45 is here. So that will be market just want to go. Another bullish favor gap. Alright, 65, 70, 75. Liquidity is coming. Yeah. That's what it was. What's the level? We'll most likely squeeze through this into 65 this liquidity is here, so I will try to get if we can pull back first. Try to get in of this fair value gap. That's also important information. Like if you have on 1 minute 1181 delta, cumulative delta on the buy side after liquidity has been swept. That's a huge number. It was just basically you had to jump on that immediately. Never revisit it. So I missed that. Let's see how they're gonna play this now. Are they gonna tease all the bulls? Are they gonna pull it lower and go one more time? So they can do that. They don't need to drive this up straight away. If you didn't catch this here, don't buy up here. Hoping, oh yeah, we're gonna push into that because they can take you down. They can take you down. They can take you down. It's a 30 points move into, what is it, 18 minutes. This is looking smooth. Hasn't been taken. Right. 1 more minute. Could get a push into that. And then go down. That's our fair value gap as well. We have another one here. And another one up there. Looks like we're gonna have a range day today. Just gonna range between this high and that low. Yeah, why I was going long here? Well, first of all, that level. Secondly, London hasn't been taken out. Well, that was this week. The bodies, yeah, they did take the body when you think about it now. They did take the body. So it's something to consider. They took the bodies. Not much liquidity, but you would expect that they will just go through and decided not to do it. The time was important as well, because the move started pretty much on the first and the second candle. We opened at 83. 83.50 is opening price. 83.50. That's opening price. Yeah. Yeah, I would like this to push here into this fair value gaps at 70%. Maybe even up here into this range. And then we can try to short again. All right, stops, just popped. This is view up. All right. We're gonna break the view up. Do I want to trade off this view up like a little? Yeah, too late. So that's a typical, view up gives you a little bit of points usually. People take profit. But you have to be quick. That's not ICT trading. It's just a little scalping. We can push one more time into this view up and then collapse. Maybe here. And then we'll try one more time here. We took liquidity. But there's this 50-70 waiting. Let's see if they're going to take the view up now one more time. They're going to push through it. On RTH, we are already above the view up. So I would probably skip that because it looks like market wants to go up. And they're pushing towards this 50-70. That's the liquidity they want to take. A lot of shorts up here. That would be a 70%. And look at this move. Okay, now. A little hesitation, you didn't take this fair value gap. Too late. Alright. A bit of struggle here at the view up. What Nasdaq is doing. Same story. Same story. Yeah. Similar story on Nasdaq. They have not taken that liquidity yet. We did take it on this, as you can see. So there is a bit of divergence. Nasdaq will try to push for the liquidity, meaning ES will most likely push into 70. Are they gonna go through this view up on the first go? Very rarely that happens. Very rarely. Okay. This question is like, how deep is gonna be that pullback? Can be down here. That's 5 points. Let's try.
Order submitted.
Oh, there will be a further gap here. Oh, let's see if they're gonna do it. They're gonna retrace into that. Let's see if they're gonna retrace to that. 65. Too late again. This fair value gap's
Order
gonna be open.
canceled.
See that? It is open. You have to be quick. And yeah. Yeah, so that VWAP worked. Trade off that VWAP worked. It after this liquidity sweep. Now they grab that liquidity one more time. So if you want to keep shorting it, that's danger because market not necessarily needs to go lower. They already took all of that volume. Now we can come back up. Unless they want to go and grab that as well. Especially that they sold. But NQ has not sold. NQ hasn't sold, so a bit of divergence here. Okay, we just tapped into this fair value gap. We missed that. Switching. But I don't want to short this right now. I don't think. Just check something here. So big boys were minus. Now they're minus 1,600. Interesting. They are actually selling. Second time we push interview up, it's a big probability we can push through and go higher. So it's much bigger probability that we can do it, especially especially when we took that low. So I wouldn't rely on that fair value gap at this point. Test of view up. It's very, very often. Maybe a bit later. Looks like on the dump. This 70 is gonna stay here and wait. Okay. Tapped into this bullish fair value gap.
Order
I would
filled.
try long here. Nasdaq needs to push to sell into this area. Nasdaq hasn't sold yet. ES has got some liquidity waiting at 50, 70. So let's sell this at 65. Let's see if we can do that. But I'm not gonna give more than this. If we drop, we drop. And I'm out. Can give maybe. No. If we drop, if we go for this Vivaldi gap, I'm done. 55 wants to be traded. Yeah. It can be weak down. It's very tight stop loss. But it's okay. But I can just give a little bit more space. Change my mind. Alright, that's it. Now we took that 50% of his fair value gap. Somewhere here. Fucking
Stop
hell.
filled.
So it worked. Stink. Okay, now we
Order
close the
filled.
portfolio. Let's go fucking hell. Oh, that dropped shorts.
Order filled.
They're going for this little.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Short this and sell into this thing. Grab a little bit of something.
Target filled.
Right. On a
Order
mark.
filled.
So they did grab the liquidity and bouncing back up. Oh shit.
Order filled.
Sorry for my French. Wanted to grab it higher, but anyway, minus $62. Just back and forward trading so far. Can't catch anything. Unless it's sometimes, you know what, sometimes you look at Nasdaq and you're like, oh, Nasdaq hasn't taken that. And because of that, you're not taking a good trade on years. So it's also a danger that I learned it already, that sometimes it's just not a good way of looking at the market. Just don't do it. It's just not a good way of doing it, because that's a different market, right? And technically speaking, we did take that low. So market was to go up, maybe, or maybe second leg down. There was a lot of liquidity here, and we rushed into it. This bullish gap was just violated. Now it becomes resistance. And we do have the value gaps here. I'm all over the place today. I'm just not trading well. I miss opportunities, and then I'm chasing. Not happy with that. It's just the way it is sometimes. We did take that properly now. They tapped into this fair value gap.
Order submitted.
Try to grab this if you can of that fair value gap, or we will just stop here and continue lower. Or we're gonna travel to the top as well. That's the danger, that we can travel to the top. This is quite small, 159, that's not big. Okay, I think we travel to the
Order
top.
cancelled.
It's too violent move to the upside. They caught a lot of, and I'm
Order
gonna go long now.
filled.
I know it's not a fair value or anything, but we just violate the fair value gap. This bearish one and the other one. So we grab the liquidity. I think we're going up. It's a bullish fair value gap right now between this candle and that candle, but you can see the market is just not giving you any kind of retracements into that. There you go.
Order filled.
Okay. View up is the target. But I'm talking about electronic view up, not RTH view up. RTH view up is at 60. I think we just squeeze there. Just squeeze through this. 49, 50, and at full hour, at 11 o'clock, we might be at 70, 50, 70. Yeah. Let's just hold this too. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just you can basically, if you, the moment we jump over the RTH view up on bookmap, the pink line, we'll get acceleration to the upside. Market wants to go up. Simple as that. They did grab that liquidity. There's nothing else here. Look at how thin was here. They grabbed that. They're happy to sell it one more time. Higher into this. That's what they want to do now. That's what they want to do.
Order submit. Order filled.
Got 10 minutes till close of this period. That's gonna be 11 o'clock. 62 is waiting, 65, 67, and 70. So we're gonna be getting up slowly with this. So I want to sell one here, just in front of
Order
this fair value
submitted.
gap. Yeah. It is holding quite nice. Another target will be this high,
Order submitted.
and that you can keep the rest into this level. Let's go, baby. No liquidity below this 50-50. This is just wishful thinking that they can get it. I don't think they're gonna get it. Eight more minutes. It is a bullish formation right now. Market should go higher. Market is going high. We have revisited sell side liquidity. 10:30, I think. Was it 10:30? Yeah, 10 o'clock. So the only way, sensible, logical way, is to go higher. And I'm even thinking, like, should I close this first contract so close, like 62? Do I really need that? I'm just gonna close it at view up, because I'm sure we're gonna try to get there. I'm not sure, but statistically we should get there. Test of view up, second time usually is successful, and we can go through it. They just want to buy more. They're allowing basically the shorts to add more alongside getting out. They were trapped, for a moment. So it's a place of many transactions. That's why we're chopping here. 6 more minutes till the market closes this period. And yeah, we'll see what we're gonna do. Let's go. 62 is flashing. They want it. 62.5, 65 is there. By flashing, I mean this. 62 is flashing. Okay, let's respect that. And be in front of them. Let's get one off. Technically speaking, 65 is all right. Let's leave it there in front of view up. And if you're in front of the 65, so 63, 64. And hello. Okay, so 62.5 was played. Now it's 65 waiting. Oh, 65 is here. And then I'm hoping for 70, to be honest. Once we take that view up. I want 70. We're holding view up. We got 3 more minutes on that period. Hello.
Order cancelled.
There we go. Got the first target. Stop loss break even. Now it has to squeeze through this view up. Hello, the second target. Oh, a little bit too high, a little bit too high here. Squeeze. Almost, alright. Almost. Well, let's leave it. Should go here on the second push, should go up there. Unless it's gonna dump to 60 before it does that. But they should go. Oh, here's another target. Hello. One more minute. Fucking one tick. Come on.
Order
There we go.
cancelled.
And we got the last target at 70. I will close one tick below that, 2 ticks below, because I want to wait for squeeze, and that's the closing trade of the day. We have made some decent money on that. Finally. So the second second push into view up. Let's just quickly have a look on NQ. I want to see if okay, NQ took that as well. So we did take everything. There is a potentially. No, they should push now. They should push because we took the view up for the second time. And no. $70 wants to be traded. Come on, go up there. If I was in micro, I would be taking half here, but I can't take half. So I need to hold this one. That's my runner. I mean, this level is so obvious, this 50, 70, but problem is that we might drop to 60 first. So, kind of like I would have, if I was 10 micro, I would have take 5 here and hold the rest of the 5 to 70. But I'm gonna hold the whole one now. Let's see if we're gonna squeeze into 70 and above. 2 and through, right? They shouldn't lose that view up. They should not close below the view up, at least not below the RTH view up. They should not do that. That will be a waste of the good move. Yeah, they have this 50-70 level, really obvious. And to be honest, this can go even higher, as I can see already. We have liquidity at 75. So do we want to play this? 75 is up here, which will be a 70% of that. It will be a 70% of the Fibonacci retracements from the top, which is optimum trade entry short. If I bring this like that. So let's see. All right, so we got served on this. Hello. Let's see if we're gonna get served on that. Hello. Yeah. Just wait. Patience. Risk-free trade. We already took two. Around $400 on each. So we're sitting a nice profit. And potentially this would give us additional 400 if we get there. Let's see. Sip of coffee. So if you're waiting for this fair value gap, which was bullish here, to be revisited, you missed that move. Sometimes you just need to jump on that thing. There's no other way. So many times, like today, the same thing. You're waiting for the revisit here, never happened. You're waiting for the revisit here, never happened. You just need to jump on it. That's how I see it. Otherwise, you'll never take any trade. $70 should be. Look at that. Pay attention to the book map here. See? It's like a space between Earth and Moon. There was Earth, now we have the Moon. Now, I mean, the only way that this market can go is up there. It can do things. I'm not saying. It can try to get you out. But the target is the Moon. Moon is at 70 and 75 and 77. They want to go there. And eventually they will get there. Market always follows liquidity. Let's hold this. The only problem is time. And it is 4:05 London time. That's 11:05. We should get a push into this. They trapped a lot of shorts here. When you think about it, you know, if somebody was shorting this of this fair value gap and didn't close, they're allowing other shorts to get in here, thinking that this is double top. Right? It's double top. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down here. Once they engineer this liquidity by holding view up here, once they engineer this liquidity, they push for it. I'm gonna get a second leg up into 70, 73, 75, 77. See that? Now these shorts who got in here will proper that move into 70. And then we're gonna hit another shorts here. Because these shorts are like, oh yeah, I'm gonna put my stop loss here, and then they're gonna move it up there. Boom. Yeah. But you might say like, oh, don't be so fucking smart because you were buying this here, you idiot. Well, I was. But I was getting out. If I'm wrong, look at that. Boom. You see that? These are stops. Popping. Another level here. Hello? Another squeeze. Into 75. We're gonna close at 73. Hello? We got that to the tick. It has to go through. Boom. Beautiful.
Target filled.
Thank you very much. Well, let's check. 1,462. This is Truck Trader from London. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.